Muini wa nyimbo cia gospel ogwetwo Triza Zebed ni arikia kurekereria rwimbo rweru, and in that song andu matigwo mamakite na njira nene muno. Ni kuona ati Triza Zebed tumwe mukurino na rwimbo ruria rwake rwa trendire thina ni umagwo mukurino na Kenya magikenio muno ni rwimbo rwake na just like that akirise na gituika one of the big young gospel artists in the country. Na muthenya wa umuthi rwimbo ru ni rumakirie a Kenya tondu ainire atari na kiremba na akoro akiuga ati uhonokio wake wi ngoro-ini ti kiremba-ini giake, na uhoro uyu wakoro ukiorererwo ni a Kenya na njira nene muno na njira nyingi. Amwe makiuga ni wega nigetha ndagakorwo akijanjwo ni maundu mangi maybe angikorwo agika, na wengine wakisema ati yo it is not fine already. Jata yake yajia kunene haya waini wa gospel ndio raruta kiremba. I don't know what you guys think about this story. Triza Zebed tumumenyire ena kiremba na ona muthuri wake Obed Zebedi tumumenyire ena kiremba no in a twist of stories Triza Zebed ni aruta kiremba. Shukrani Rofi ni athire kuria nende ciake cia ukinyaniria na akoro akiuga ati ni wega uguo Triza Zebed aruta kiremba nigetha akoro agika maundu make atekujajwo na hatari no higa ona ndagika ona imwe. This comes at a time riria Shukra Nairobi mara beef na Karago. I don't know what you guys think about this story Triza Zebed gukorwo akiruta kiremba. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.